Good morning and welcome to the 2021 school year and welcome to Texas History. I am Mr. Dilworth and I would like to walk you through our class this morning. So if you would open your Schoology and after you find Zoom, then go to Welcome to My Class and find the simulation folder. Once you find the simulation folder and choose it, I would like for you to begin with the This Is Us activity. So I will publish it so that you can see it. Once you choose the This Is Us activity, please read the instructions to find a slide that no one is typing on. Type your information first, and then find a slide that you like and leave a comment on it. Now, this may actually be posted in Schoology as an assignment, but if not, then just choose the slides as you see them in the assignment list or in the list that you see before you. You will, after you complete your slide and comment on another slide, you will be placed in breakout groups. And when you're there, please determine who will do each of these breakout group jobs. You will have a person who will share their screen, one person who is the scribe that will write down information concerning the group's activities, and then you'll need one person to speak about what the group did when you come back to the main screen or the main group with everyone, and then a timekeeper. Thank you. And then here are your slides. I gave an example here of how to complete a slide, as you can see here. Try to answer every question you can. All right, thank you so much.